Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking to elevate your home barista skills? That's exactly what I'm always trying to do. And I'm super excited and happy that I've been able to try these awesome syrups from Red Rooster Syrups. Whether you're a home barista or you know someone, anyone will be in love with these wonderful, yummy, handcrafted syrups. They're a great way to sample them because they come in these sample size jars and they have absolutely decadent flavors. I am absolutely in love with each of them and have tried them all on their own or even combine them into one drink or dessert, and the syrups taste delicious. So you have a sweet mint, the single origin chocolate, vanilla bean, and the amber caramel, which is absolutely screaming fall, and I can't wait to use it in the fall. These are delicious whether you use them in coffee, in tea. I made some espresso martinis with them, and they're absolutely yummy on ice cream as well. These make a great topping and they stir in so well, and they add in a very light, refreshing, sweet flavor. They're not overly sweet and they definitely have a homemade yummy taste. If you're looking for some combination drinks that you can make and really impress your guests or just enjoy it on your own, hot or cold, you will love these syrups. They are super yummy and delicious, and that's my point of view.